We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank, and I am joined by the whole gang.
Here we are.
This doesn't happen very often that we all get to be together. Val and Tomas and Chef Laurent Zarati, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We are talking about Washington-grown potatoes.
Yum.
Our favorite.
Yes.
Favorite.
Absolutely.
One of the staples of the show.
And for good reason.
Yes.
And for good reason. And we're just spreading the word.
Yes.
About how incredible
We
Washington-grown
grew
potatoes
the
are.
most potatoes. Everybody talks about Idaho potatoes, but Washington, they are the biggest grower
We're
in the
number
nation.
one.
Yeah, number one.
We don't
exactly.
say the I word here.
No.
I mean, we go from, the Skagit Valley with the beautiful purple potatoes to, Central Washington where you have the russets and all the other different types and, made into French fries for a lot of the fast food restaurants
And
that
Eastern
people
Washington with those
go
really
to.
big baker kind.
Yeah, so good stuff. Anyways.
And today we're going to try a recipe from Chef Tomas.
Chef Tomas, tell us about
I
that.
wouldn't go so far as say Chef Tomas, but this was another great opportunity for my daughter Anna Lucia and I to go out in the woods and see what it's like to take a little Washington-grown ingredient and enjoy some great food out there. And it's just fun to be able to tweak a recipe. And we wanted to do something that was obviously with potatoes because we all love potatoes,
Right.
but let's do something that's just a little easy.
Yeah.
And there's nothing more simpler than this one. As you're about to see, it's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious.
But if you have great product,
Yeah.
especially from Washington,
And I feel like everything
you can
tastes
do
better.
anything you want, even if it's simple, it's going to taste great.
Yes.
Exactly.
And everything tastes better when you're outside. I feel
Oh, yeah.
like,
I don't
with
know
family.
about that. I don't know about that. Maybe with family.
Well, you haven't been outside enough.
Yeah.
We need
Let's
to get
find
you out
out.
there.
Let's take a look.
All right, we're back at camp, so what are we making for dinner?
Tonight we're making campfire potatoes.
This is probably one of the most easiest and quite possibly the most delicious things you can make on a camp out.
Wow.
No.
That's so good.
Now that is how you make campfire potatoes, and that's how you take your next campfire to the next level. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy recipe, but it was delicious. Just a couple of simple ingredients. It's all you need. And I think in our journey here in Washington Grown, so many times I feel like the more simplistic a recipe is, sometimes the better
best.
it
It
is.
is.
I agree.
Great ingredients.
I agree.
You gotta go simple.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that you put the cheese at the end. I love that.
I know, we
That's
were all
almost like
excited.
a-
It was
I
like the
know.
potatoes looked great. And then
Almost
you
like
put
a
cheese. And we're like,
campfire poutine. You put cheese curd.
Yes, just
and all
needed some
that.
gravy and we're set.
"See? Does that make you want to go camping?
I'm gonna have to make up some better potatoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this
Right.
guy
You're
out
You're gonna have to
happy.
keep cooking to get Chef and I.
And what I also loved about your recipe is that, you just eat it right off the foil.
That's it.
You don't need a plate or anything.
No
It's
dishes.
just, that's your dish
Like
right there.
that.
It's about being simple, and with something like that, you can just take all your dry ingredients and put them in one bag. Measure them at home,
Yeah.
and then that way, when you go out, all you gotta do is just
Shake it up.
dump, and you're done.
Chapeau, chef.
Well, and of course, it's about being with your family too. I mean, that was a great
Right.
opportunity for my daughter and I to have some fun adventures, and we can't wait for next season to do some more. So it's gonna be.
You're going to lose your job here pretty soon. She's going to take over for like all of us.
Food tastes always better with good company.
Yeah.
Good job, Thomas.
Thank you.
To get the recipe for campfire potatoes, visit wagrown.com.